Hello, this is Scott from A GoGo, and today I'll be making these colorful bath bomb eggs. Bath bombs are something people either love to make or hate to make. It can be tricky to get them right, but once you do, it becomes a breeze to make them. I struggled with bath bombs in the beginning, and it wasn't until I took a seminar at the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetics Guild that everything changed for me. The session was led by Lee Choi, owner of the Bath Bomb Press, and Ariane Arsenault. That's me. A successful bath bomb is dependent on moisture. Things like season, weather, and humidity can affect them greatly. The wetting agents you use, as well as the amount and when you add them, can mean the difference between a perfect bath bomb and a broken mess. In addition to your fragrance oil and carrier oil, you'll use either water or witch hazel or isopropyl alcohol. I've never had success with water or witch hazel, but 70% isopropyl alcohol works perfectly for me. In the colder months, it's drier here in New Jersey, so I know I need to add more wetting agent than I do when I'm making bath bombs in the summer. Once you have a formula that works most of the time, stick with it. There may be adjustments you have to make depending on those things I mentioned, but you'll get to know what to do and when. If you've ever made bath bombs, you've probably learned that the mixture should feel like wet sand, and that's how you know it's good. Unfortunately, there is a vast interpretation of what they mean by wet sand. If you grab some mix and squeeze it in your hand, it should stay together. If it cracks or breaks, it's too dry and needs more wetting agent. Rather than spraying the alcohol directly into the mixture, I spray some on my gloved hand first and then work it into the mix. This helps to avoid starting that fizzing reaction between the baking soda and citric acid. Also, your citric acid should be the last thing you add to the mix. All your wetting agents should be added and incorporated before you add the citric. I had an issue with this first one because the top didn't come out rounded or shaped to the mold, so I needed to redo it. And that looks better. The Bath Bomb Press has definitely changed my production immensely. In business, as you know, time is money, so if you have a tool that can make the process go faster and turn out better products, it's worth the investment. Once they've dried for about 48 hours, it's time for packaging. I got these little egg cartons from eggcartons.com, and I add some colorful shred to the bottom, then place the bath bombs on top. They fit perfectly. The cartons get shrink wrapped with National Shrink Wrap's BioLeffen biodegradable shrink film. I'll leave a link below if you'd like to find out more about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're a bath bomb maker, I hope this gave you some good tips. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified when new videos become available. Thanks so much for watching.